In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for A2 hosting in 2025 with a step-by-step tutorial. Let's start by navigating to their website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the address hosting.com. This will lead you to their homepage where you'll see a vibrant, inviting layout that showcases why A2 hosting is renowned for its fast and reliable web hosting services. Now, direct your attention to the homepage and find the offers showcased in the highlighted sections. This is where they usually showcase their most attractive deals or latest web hosting plans tailored to your needs. Clicking here will guide you deeper into their offerings, enabling you to explore the specifics of what suits your requirements best. Next, we'll move on to creating an account. Look for the Login or My Account button on the top right of the page. Once there, you'll see the option to create a new account. Click on it and you'll be taken to the Sign Up page. This is where you'll begin the process of setting up your hosting account. At the Sign Up page, locate the form where you'll provide your necessary details. You need to fill in the usual information required for opening an account, such as your email, password, and any other pertinent details. It's imperative to use a valid and regularly checked email, as A2 Hosting will use this to send you vital information like your hosting credentials and any updates or offers. Proceed to the next section where you'll enter your personal details, starting with your first name. Don't worry if it seems extensive. These details ensure your account is set up properly and securely. Ensure all the information is accurate before proceeding. Once you've filled out the information, you'll be prompted to confirm your details. Double check your entries for any possible errors to avoid hiccups in account setup. Then, when you're ready, click the Sign Up button. This finalizes your application and you'll receive a confirmation email with instructions on the next steps and how to access your new hosting dashboard. The sign up process with A2 Hosting is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that even those new to web hosting can navigate through without hassle. By following the steps outlined, you'll have your hosting ready in no time, allowing you to focus more on building and managing your website effectively. Remember, if you run into any issues during your sign-up process, A2 Hosting offers excellent customer support to assist you whenever needed. Congratulations, you've successfully signed up for A2 Hosting. Enjoy the seamless and efficient hosting service that now supports your web presence. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more guides and tips.